Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. Today's video, we're going to be doing some really cute Dollar Tree DIYs, and actually it's not all completely Dollar Tree. Like I have mentioned before, I have been using some Amazon stuff from Walmart. Just because it's from Amazon or Walmart doesn't mean that it's super expensive. I always try to stay on a budget, and just like Dollar Tree, I try to find stuff that's going to be like $1 or around $1 for each item. So with that said, today's video, we're going to be sharing some boho vibe-ish decor. I'm not really sure what to call it yet. I envision it in my toddler's room, so maybe like a girl's room, or I don't know. So yeah, I think maybe this has like a boho look, and if you guys can see what I have here, try to guess before you watch the video how I made these faux beads. So yeah, I feel like this is going to be a really cute DIY that you guys will enjoy. With that said, if this is your first time here, you guys welcome, and thank you so much for joining me. I would love it if you guys became part of the DIY family by subscribing to my channel and hitting the bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. So without further ado, let's get on to the DIYs. For this one, I'm going to be taking one of these Dollar Tree flat canvases, not the ones with the frames, just the flat one. Although you could use the one with the frame, I'm just going to use this. And then I also have these really cute decals. Now I already cut these to size, but I also will be using these paint stir sticks that I purchased through Amazon. I've been using these a lot. They're linked down in the description.
Oh my child, I know you're hurt and you can't let go. It's not your fault and you don't deserve all the bad and the hurt.
So I'm only going to make one, but you guys feel free to make a complete set because this comes with 4, and then it also has these individual, what are these called? Succulents. So I think these are really, really cute.
I know you tried so hard.
For this one, I'm going to be using this terracotta platter from Walmart, and I realized that this one is actually a little bit cracked, so I hope that it doesn't break on me. And then I'm also going to be using a couple of different paints for this. So I'm going to be mixing some blue, azure blue, and this is actually fabric paint, but we're going to make it work because we always make it work. And this is from Faux, and I'm also going to mix it with a little bit of Craft Smart in Ocean Breeze, and then some Repo's Gray from my Lowe's sample. Before I start painting that though, I am gonna take my Amazon beads and I'm gonna make the legs for this tray.
I know you've done your part, it's not fair. You did your time. How much longer will you suffer in this life?
I'm gonna add a little bit of a darker green in there also.
But don't give up, just hold on tight.
So I mixed all this paint together, but I feel like I literally have paint like this in my stash, and so it's not the color that I thought it was gonna turn out to be. So I'm still gonna paint it, but I'll probably add a little bit more of that blue on top of it.
It'll be alright. Your life you've tried to be a good man inside, did everything that you thought you should, didn't seem to do you any good. I know you've tried so hard. I know you've done your part, it's not fair. You did your time. How much longer will you suffer in this life? But don't give up, just hold on tight. It'll be alright.
Alright, so I'm actually really excited for this one because you guys see that I've been using these beads and I only have a certain size, and the biggest ones that I have are actually already gone. I went through all of them. Next time when I order these, I might order just like bigger ones. No beads, no problem. So there are these new mini pomegranate bundles at Dollar Tree, and I bought them the other day thinking of fall, but I'm actually going to take these off and make them into faux beads. So just kind of follow along, and then I'm also going to add some twine and some tassels to them.
I know you tried so hard. I know you've done your part. It's not fair. You did your time. How much longer will you suffer in this life? But don't give up. Just hold on tight. It'll be alright. I woke up in the middle of the night. Na, na, na. And I wondered how you're always right. It gets me. I couldn't see what you saw in me. Ooh, na, na, na. But you showed me how to believe. Still gets me. When I look back, I can see you're hiding, waiting for a moment to step in. And I'll never understand how you saw it coming. Oh, but I will love you for it all. Yeah, I will love you for it all. It is hard to share my thoughts. Ooh, na, na, na. It's like hiding a wound in a bleeding heart. It gets me. But I know that you need it all. Ooh, na, na, na. Just give me some time, 'cause I need to know that you're staying. When I look back, I can see you're hiding.
If you guys are wondering why I'm going through all this trouble, I, for the life of me, could not get the yarn in between the holes. So we're going kind of a different route here, and it's a little frustrating, but I think we got it.
Moment to step in, and I'll never understand how you saw it coming.
Alright, so I actually started this one before I hit record. So I'm going to take one of these long vases from Dollar Tree, and then just using my sample paint in Repost Gray, going to paint it. And again, I do like using paper towels because it gives it a textured look. I don't like using the brushes for glass or plastic just because it leaves them kind of streaky. So we're gonna do this, and I don't know if you guys noticed, but I tend to use the same color a lot just because you know, I'm a little bit of a cheapo, so I don't like spending more money than I have to. So really, I will probably be using this paint until it's gone.
Oh, but I will love you for it all. When I look back, I can see you're hiding, waiting for a moment to step in. Oh, and I'll never understand how you saw it coming. Oh, but I will love you for it all.
You guys saw that the tape took my paint off and I had to redo it and I had to wait again for it to dry. So I'm gonna take this piece of twine and I'm basically just putting it on here to figure out where I'm gonna do my lines, okay? So now I'm gonna take my hot glue and I'm gonna make some lines going right across. And it doesn't matter if they're straight. I actually kind of want them not too straight if I can help it. But now that I'm saying that I don't want them too straight, they're gonna be like perfectly straight. So, oh, whatever way it comes out, we'll deal with it.
Yeah, I will love you for it.
Okay, so I don't know if you guys can see it or not. I can't really see it through the camera, but that's all done. So now I'm gonna take some Craft Smart in Flesh and mix it with a little bit of Delta Creative Wedding Gold. So the colors that I used both on the little tray and then now on this vase are colors that I wanted to match to the frame. So I wanted to make sure they match. So I tried to match the blue to this right here and then this one to the face.
Let you down, and I know that I was not always around. I made you feel alone. You spent most of your nights just sitting on your own. I should have done so much more, like giving you the things you asked me for. And I know I was wrong. It's what I try to tell you with my song. Tell you with my song. What if I said I'm sorry? What if I'd make a scene? Wouldn't that make you mine again? You're all I'll ever need. Didn't I make you laugh? Didn't I make you smile? Didn't I make you feel like you were happy for a while? I know that I've done so many things that let you down, but I hope that you give me one more chance to make you mine. When I close my eyes, you know that you're the only thing I see, and it makes me cry to think that you are no longer with me. What if I said I'm sorry? What if I make a scene? Wouldn't that make you mine again? All I ever need. Didn't I make you laugh? Didn't I make you smile? Didn't I make you feel like you were happy for a while? I know that I've done so many things that let you down, but I hope that you give me one more chance to make you mine. What if I said I'm sorry? What if I said...
Alright guys, that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. And once again, if you did enjoy this video, make sure you guys leave me a thumbs up. Leave me your comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!
What if I said I'm sorry?